Religion is one of humanity's oldest mirrors. Across time and culture, people have looked at the same universe and tried to make sense of it, giving names to the mystery that holds everything together. At its root, the word religion means to reconnect. It points to our shared impulse to return to source, to understand where we come from, why we exist, and how we fit into something greater than ourselves. Every culture has built its own language for this connection. Some call it God, others Brahman, Tao, spirit, or simply energy. The names change, but the instinct remains, to experience unity with the unseen force that animates all life. When you strip away the dogma, three constants appear in nearly every belief system. First, the recognition of a higher intelligence or divine order. Second, the moral impulse to live in harmony with that intelligence through compassion, integrity, and service. Third, ritual, symbolic action that focuses human intention and bridges the physical and the spiritual. From a metaphysical view, these constants represent consciousness learning about itself. Early humanity saw the divine as external, in storms, fire, or sky gods. As awareness evolved, so did the reflection of the divine, moving from outer worship toward inner realization. This shift from God out there to God within marks the evolutionary arc of spiritual consciousness. The great teachers of history, Krishna, Buddha, Christ, Lao Tzu, Mohammed, and many others, all expressed the same essence through different cultural forms. They were translators of consciousness, not founders of division. Each taught that awakening comes through love, awareness, and alignment with the source that lives within all beings. Religion, at its best, is a bridge that helps people remember that unity. At its worst, it can harden into walls of belief that separate and control. Metaphysics steps beyond the walls and studies the underlying pattern, the energy and intelligence that every faith attempts to describe. When viewed through unity consciousness, every tradition becomes a different frequency within one field. Chant, prayer, song, or silence, all are methods of tuning human awareness to the same resonance of creation. So rather than asking which religion is right, the metaphysical student asks, what aspect of truth is being explored here? That question turns judgment into understanding and reveals the hidden harmony beneath all difference. Ultimately, religion is a stage in the soul's remembering. Each tradition is a path back to the same realization, that what we call God, spirit, or source is the very consciousness perceiving these words right now. Let's reflect on what God, or spirit, meant to you growing up. How has that definition expanded or changed with your understanding of metaphysics? What does unity mean to you personally today?